Right, hey, sorry about the webcam thing, you know, the thingy there where my head is now. You can't see me, I'm getting that fixed tomorrow. So I said I was going to be singing A Year Without Rain in English first, which I am. Just typing in. Right. Right, I'm going to be singing it normally. This is going to be the full song. Okay, the full one. I've got to tell you something. Call an ambulance or anything, please. My Nan's friend downstairs is having a heart attack, nearly. Well, she's got really bad chest pains. And her arm is a bit. You know what? I'll just call it. But I'm going to be singing this. It's a bit bad, but it might get worse. So anyone, just call an ambulance to 18 Still Close, SO6, 6PU, Maidenhead, Berkshire. In the United Kingdom. So don't call the ambulance or police if you live in a different country, because obviously you have no number. Like the UK have 999, the USA have 911. If you live in Belgium or France, whatever you, or Russia, I don't know. I don't know if you have. I don't know what your number is. Okay, but here I'm going to be singing A Year Without Rain in English, full. Okay, here it is. Ready? Ready? Here it is. Let's just get ready. Right, here it is. Let's go. Can you feel me when I think about you? With every breath I take, every minute, no matter what I do. My world is an empty place, like I've been wandering the desert for 1,000 days. Don't think surprise, but I always see your face, baby. I miss you so much, and I feel I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without rain. I need you by my side. Don't know how I survive. A day without you is like a year without rain. Oh, whoa. Right, I've got to hurry up, so I'm going to skip. Let's skip a bit. Right. Right. Can I skip to this bit? I like this bit. So let this drought come to an end and make this desert flower again. I'm so glad you found me. Stick around me, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, it's a girl, wonder you in my life. So hurry, baby, don't waste no more time. Please just hear up and explain me without you. It's like a year without rain. Oh, oh, I'm missing you so much. Can't help it, I'm in love. Stay without you like a year without rain. I need you by my side. Don't know what to want. Stay without you is like a year without rain. Hey, oh, But so remember to call the ambulance, please. In between quarter past 7 on Friday, the 1st of July 2011, and 9 o'clock. Please call the bloody ambulance. We might be, if it gets worse, we might be. Call the ambulance. 18 Still Close, SO6, 6PU, Maidenhead, Berkshire, United Kingdom. No, don't call if it's another country. If you live in another country, okay? So please call it. Bye. I'll sing tiny bit of A Year Without Rain in Spanish, just to show my talent. Okay, so I've seen about I'm singing about a minute of that. Okay, bye.